We all have that special piece of clothing that means a lot to us. It's not just fabric, it's a collection of moments that occurred when we wore it. Like the time you bought a vintage t-shirt in that charming little shop, or when you wore it dancing in the rain at a muddy festival, where you shared your very first kiss. Just like our happiest memoirs, we never want these cherished items to fade away. BASF's new solution for laundry formulations is designed to extend the life of clothes. It addresses consumers' growing concerns for the environment and their household budgets, empowering to shop less frequently and make their clothing last longer. BASF is proud to introduce its innovative Sokalan Color Guard, the first readily biodegradable dye transfer inhibitor on the market. It is designed to prevent discoloration and keep favorite garments looking vibrant and fresh. With BASF's readily biodegradable Lavergy Sea Care, you can expect best-in-class removal of fuzz and pills, enhancing the look and feel of cotton and cotton blend fabrics. The liquid care cellulase is highly stable, even in the presence of proteases, ensuring that clothes receive the best care possible. Leverage the powerful combination of both ingredients to enhance the longevity of clothing with your laundry formulation, and make it truly stand out amongst the crowded detergent shelves. Because memories shouldn't be the only things to last forever.